everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐤 and I'm with the Beyond Insights marketing team. Now, a lot of you have probably received an email or even sort of posting on Facebook, right, about this Moomoo simulation trading competition. So it's a paper trading competition hosted by Moomoo as a part of their 12th anniversary, right, to mark their 12th anniversary. So Moomoo and Nasdaq has collaborated to host the Moomoo Global US stock simulation trading competition. And this event offers you a risk-free way to participate in US stock investments and a chance to win a share of $200,000 USD in cash rewards, right, on the Moomoo platform. This is given out by Moomoo. Now, this is a chance, this is an opportunity for you who are interested to check out the Moomoo platform to do so, right? So through this paper trading competition, you get a chance to test out the platform itself and familiarize yourself with it in a risk-free way because it's in a paper trading environment. All right. Now, some of you have been asking, how do I win a share of it, and especially the VI dollars as well, right? So, yeah, to top that up, we are also giving away 2,000 VI dollars. So 2,000 VI dollars on a weekly basis. So it refreshes on a weekly basis. And so we have got 3 more weeks for this competition, right? So in total of 6,000 VI dollars. And how do you win this, right? What do you mean a share of 2,000 VI dollars on a weekly basis? So as long as you have a positive weekly returns, now we're following what Moomoo is doing, of course. So it's the same on the Moomoo platform as well. As long as you get you have a positive weekly return, then you win a share of a certain weekly amount that they are providing. And so what can you do with this VI dollars then, right? So for example, I'm just going to share how this work is. Let's say 80 of you decided to participate in it and 50 of you have a positive weekly return. What you need to do is then from the 2,000 VI dollars divided by 50 of you who have a positive return, then each of you will get about 40 VI dollar, right? So you have 3 opportunities to do so this week and the next following 2 weeks. And the week cutoff date is Monday to Sunday, right? So all you need to do is at the end of Sunday, you just need to screenshot your Moomoo paper trading weekly results and show it to us. Well, not show it to us, upload it to a form. I'm just going to show you later how you can do that. Now, some of you are also asking, what can I do with the VI dollars? So what you can do with the VI dollars is that you can either use it to offset any of the future courses or programs that you intend to take up, and also use it for our services, right? So for example, we have got the technical screener that you can use it to purchase, and also some of the other services, for example, VTP Club or even Options Club, etc., etc. Okay. Now I'm just going to show you how you can do so. But first, you need to go ahead. You've probably seen the link that I've shared in the email itself. The VI link, you get an additional 1 month of the Nasdaq total view on Moomoo. Okay. All right, there we go. This is the email here that I've sent out yesterday. And there's this link here, this exclusive link for Beyond Insights students, right? So once you click on that, if you already have an account, it will just prompt you to log in. Or if you don't have an account yet, it will prompt you to sign up an account with them, right? So it will just prompt you to sign up either with a phone or an email. If you already have an account, just click the login button right there and you can go ahead and log in. So it recognizes that you have clicked on our link and you will, they'll credit the additional Nasdaq total view for you, additional month. Because the outsiders, they will get only 1 month of Nasdaq total view by joining this competition. But as Beyond Insights students, that's the extra perk that they're giving to us, the additional month of Nasdaq total view.
Just to add on, there is an additional perk if you are a new user who has not funded in or haven't opened an account. Open an account meaning open a trading account with them. So yes, you have already registered an account with them, but there's this open account here. If you don't have one yet, then you'll see this open account in the bottom middle of the screen, where you can go ahead and click continue, right? So once you fill up everything here, if you want to know how you can go through all of this process, I have another video that I've previously recorded. You can go ahead and watch this video here to go through step by step with me. And there will be a portion when you fund in your account, you get to fill up the promo code. This is where you can put in BI2024, BI2024. And when you fund in 1,000 ringgit with them, you get an additional 40 ringgit cashback voucher from Moomoo. This is on top of any other promotions that they are doing. Okay.
Right. So once you have logged in and everything, even if you don't have an account, then you just sign up for it. Once you sign up everything, it will probably bring you to the event page. And I'm just going to show you where you can get in a subsequent data in case you lose it. So under your Moomoo app itself, under the bottom right corner, the Me button, you click on that and it will bring you to this page, and go ahead and click on promotions. So click on promotions right there, and the first promotion here, share of 200,000 US dollars in cash rewards. And there you go, you will land on their trading competition page. It's under the positive yield challenge. This is where you can start trading the paper trading competition. I've already put in a few trades just to test it out. So you see that you have weekly P&L and total P&L and all that. What you need to do is just click on compete now. It will bring you then to the paper trading platform that they have. And you can go ahead and click trade, search for a symbol or whatever stock that you intend to trade, and go ahead and key in the orders and all that. I guess the main purpose, you could say, is just to familiarize yourself with the Moomoo app or the Moomoo trading platform itself. The reason is because they don't have in their paper trading account, there isn't a bracket order yet, so you cannot attach a bracket order. So you can still practice, could say your support or your buy orders timing, right? So you can still practice that. Well, you can put pending orders after your position has been open, so you won't be able to bracket orders for that purpose according to our strategies, right? So what you can do is just probably test out the platform, see if you like it or not, and then potentially use it to trade or invest in the future. All right, so there you go. You can key in your price, whether it's a limit or stop limit, and then go ahead and click on buy, and then that's about it. And the other thing that I want to show you is also how you can claim the additional month of Nasdaq Total View, which is under this investing bootcamp here. You can click on Go. So you can click on Go right there. Yep. And it will bring you to this page. You have to scroll a little bit down. You'll see the Nasdaq Level 2 Total View code card right there. Well, mine says 31 days. That's because I joined the competition without using the link. So you really need to use the link right there to get the 2 months Nasdaq Level 2 code card. Okay. So once you are on this page, you need to click claim. So when you if yours is unclaimed, you have a claim button. You just need to click on the claim button, and you will get your 2 months of free Nasdaq Total View. All right. They have some other interesting events as well, so such as the guess for prizes. Once you hit a 500 guessing points, so they have three questions every day, and they have 32 rounds. So once you hit the 500 guessing points, you also get to win a share of $100,000 in cash rewards. Just one more thing. So let me just share how you can get to your result page, right? So once you are here on this positive yield challenge, all you need to do is just click on this share button right there next to my results. And you will see this page. You can either just screenshot this or click on the download button. It's very small on the side bottom right. Click on the, yep, it will just save to your photos. All right, so to win the BI dollars, what you need to do is just screenshot that and also your Moomoo ID profile page, right? Moomoo ID profile page, and then upload it to this form right there. So you need to screenshot 2 things. One is the result page that I shared you earlier, and just your Moomoo ID profile with your ID. I'll share with you later as well. So all you need to do is fill out this email, name, Moomoo ID, and which week you're submitting it for. And then you can add a file here, the 2 files, the 2 photos that you have screenshot, and click on submit. And then for those of you who qualify, then we'll total it up at the end of the entire competition, at the end of November, probably end of November-ish. We'll compile everything and credit it to your account, credit the BI dollars to your account. Okay, and then you can use it to offset against any of our programs, courses, and services. Now, let me just share where you can screenshot your Moomoo profile ID as well, right? It's right there in this Me page. There you go. So on the top right there, your 9 digits user ID with your username as well. Okay. And so that's about it. That's about it for now. For those of you who are interested, definitely go for it, right? You can test out the Moomoo platform and let us know if you have any feedback as well, and stand a chance to win cash coupons plus the BI $6,000 over 3 weeks. All right. That's all for now. Happy trading, trade well, and prosper.